sur 95.9.
Bonsoir les amis, bienvenue dans la Country en Côte des Légendes avec Dominique au micro et Philippe à la technique sur Radio Emeraude le 95.9 ou sur radio-emeraude.org. L'émission consacrée à toutes les musiques country et bluegrass. Alors aujourd'hui il y aura pas mal de petites nouveautés, surtout en bluegrass, mais en country aussi. Par exemple, on va commencer avec une petite voix féminine. Elle s'appelle Donna Cunningham et c'est son single sorti en 2013 que je vous propose qui se nomme Don't Tell Me That You're Down.
That our love was like a rock, but time began to cheat away at things I had forgot. They say what God has joined together, let no man tear apart. But I can feel there's something breaking, and it feels just like my heart. So tell me that I'm dreaming, tell me that I'm wrong, tell me anything you want to. Just don't tell me that you're gone. I can take a change of weather. I've weathered all life's storms, but the wind has changed direction. Now that you've turned cold in my arms, so tell me that I'm dreaming, tell me that I'm wrong, tell me anything you want to. Just don't tell me that you're gone. So tell me that you need me. Honey, tell me that I'm wrong. Tell me it's just a bad dream. Just don't tell me that you're gone. Tell me anything you want to. Please don't tell me that you're gone.
Une superbe ballade par Donna Cunningham, Don't Tell Me That You're Done. Un artiste que j'ai retrouvé, c'est Benny Berry. Il nous vient de l'état de l'Alabama et il a déjà enregistré une bonne dizaine d'albums sur différents labels, par exemple sur Country Discovery. Il a enregistré l'album Give Me a Good Country Song, donne-moi une bonne chanson country. Eh bien, il a bien raison, surtout qu'il nous chante I'll Get By.
this. You say you don't love me like you ought to. Well, I guess I ought to tell you this. Give me all that you got and I'll get by. You might love me a lot somewhere down the line. I'm not all that hard to satisfy. Give me all that you've got and I'll get by. Love's greatest virtue. My heart is waiting for you. I'll take less than love if I have to, if it's the best you can do. Give me all that you got and I'll get by. You might love me a lot somewhere down the line. Satisfy. Give me all that you've got and I'll get by. Give me all that you've got and I'll get by. You might love me a lot somewhere down the line. Satisfied. Give me all that you've got. Give me all that you've got. You give me all that you've got, and I'll get by.
Une superbe chanson, Benny Berry dans I'll Get By, qui est tirée de cet album Give Me a Good Country Song. Un petit détour en France, et même, je crois, c'est la région de Normandie que vient ce groupe, les Shannon Band. Pour l'instant, ils n'ont fait qu'un seul album qui se nomme First Roads. Alors bien sûr, c'est surtout des reprises, par exemple, comme celle-ci, Honky Tonk Blues.
the whole song blue.
Shannon Bond, ce groupe avec son premier album First Rose et qui nous chantait Honky Tonk Blues. Un trio qui était passé à Basse-Bretagne il y a quelques années, c'est le trio Holly West. Ils sont de la région parisienne, donc c'est un garçon et deux filles dans ce groupe. Ils ont sorti un album, le deuxième est toujours en préparation. Donc leur premier album, c'est simple, hein, il s'appelle Holly West. Et dessus, ils reprennent cette chanson, je crois que c'est les Dixie Chicks qui chantaient ça, Sin Wagon.
Me around now, I'm drawing the line. He lived his life, now I'm gonna go live mine. I'm sick of wasting my time. Well now, I've been good for way too long. Found my red dress and I'm gonna throw it on. About to get too far gone. Praise the Lord and pass the ammunition. Need a little bit more of my driver's attrition. One more helping of what I've been having. I'm taking my turn on a steam wagon. On a mission to make something happen. Feel like a lion looking for Samson. Do a little mattress dancing. That's right, I said mattress dancing. Praise the Lord and pass the ammunition. Need a little bit more of what I've been missing. I don't know where I'll be crashing, but I'm arriving on a steam wagon. When it's my turn to march into glory, I'm gonna have one hell of a story. That's if he forgives me. Oh Lord, please forgive me. Praise the Lord and pass the ammunition. Need a little bit more of my driver's attrition. One more helping of what I've been having. I'm taking my turn on a steam wagon. Praise the Lord and pass the ammunition. Need a little bit more of that sweet salvation. They may take me with my feet dragging. I fly away on a steam wagon.
Holly West avec cette chanson Sin Wagon tirée de leur premier album qui se nomme tout simplement Holly West. Tiens, on va aller faire un petit tour en Australie avec un artiste qui vient régulièrement en France, c'est Wayne Lowe. Il a déjà enregistré 4 albums et son dernier se nomme Fall and Rise. Et Wayne Lowe, j'ai eu la chance et le plaisir de voir plusieurs fois. Dans la dernière fois, c'était à Châteaubriand, lors du festival. Eh bien, je ne sais pas comment c'est en Australie. Pour nous, chez nous, il y a 24 heures. Bah, chez eux, il n'y a que 22 heures, puisqu'ils nous chantent 22 hours a day.
Station wagon barely held together by a long string of honky-tonks tonight until forever. Tarp on top keeps the rain off a pile of guitars. Well, I've got 14 hours till we're hitting Albuquerque. Floorboards covered up with tater chips and jerky, but the tank's full and Red Bull's keeping us a buzzing so far. Just when I'm thinking I can take it no more, then the lights go down and we hit the first chord. The girls start moving across the dance floor. Well, it sounds real good and feels even better, remembering why we're out here together. Forget we're tired, forget the miles. Look at us, man, look at this smile. Hey, I work 22 hours a day for 2 hours of play. Last night we tore it up out in Tucson, Arizona. Everybody loved us but the dang club owner. He shorted us $300 and I was fighting mad. Yeah, but I found enough bills in the tip jar to get us to the next night in Waco and barely out of Texas. As bad as it gets so far, it ain't gotten too bad yet. But when I'm thinking I can take it no more, we count 1, 2, 3. Then the lights go down and we hit the first chord. The girls start moving across the dance floor. Well, it sounds real good and feels even better, remembering why we're out here together. Forget we're tired, forget the miles. Look at us, man, look at this smile. Hey, I work 22 hours a day for 2 hours of play. The big time, but me and my buddies will be just fine. When the lights go down and we hit the first chord, the girls start moving across the dance floor. Well, it sounds real good and feels even better, remembering why we're out here forever. Forget we're tired, forget the miles. Look at us, man, look at this smile. Hey, work 22 hours a day for 2 hours of play. Oh, 2 hours of play.
Wen Lo, tiré de l'album Fall and Rise, 22 Hours a Day. Autre artiste qui nous vient d'Australie, même de l'état de Queensland, c'est Beck Hans. Elle a déjà fait plusieurs albums et je sais que c'est une artiste tranquille. Pourquoi tranquille? Parce que l'album se nomme The Tranquility et la chanson The Bullocky.
There was a man called the Bullocky, and he drove his bullock team. It was the likes of my great-grandfather working back in the 1920s. With a tinker and a yoke, he broke young steers in. With a team of 14, a stock whip, the Bullocky ploughed the scenery, and he cleared the land and the trees and shrubs where the homes lie today. And there was no such thing as a bulldozer, tipper trucks or cranes. He carted posts and he cleared the tracks and he made the railway. The Australian legacy of the Bullocky and his bullock team. He ploughed paddocks for 50 years, so many miles on his feet. But those bullocks never let him down. They could climb a mountain so steep. He drove them far and wide to the crack of his whip. In the mud, the rain, the wind and dust, oh, never once did he lose grip. And he cleared the land and the trees and shrubs where the cars drive today. And there was no such thing as excavators, loaders or greater blades. Yeah, he crossed the rivers and he dug the dams and he made the fire breaks. The Australian legacy of the Bullocky worked the land and the trees and shrubs where the city lies today. And he carted wool and he hauled the wood with 100 tons of weight. He worked the land and he carried the food and he ate at every state. The Australian legacy of the Bullocky and his Bullock tea. Yeah, he carted posts and he cleared the tracks and he made the railway. He crossed the rivers and he dug the dams and he made the fire breaks. He carried the food and he hauled the wood with 100 tons of weight. He helped develop a country with an industry so great. It's all thanks to the Bullocky and his Bullock tea. So thanks to the Bullocky.
Beck Hans, c'est une artiste qui nous vient de l'état de Queensland, qui nous chantait The Bullocky, tiré de son album The Tranquility. Allez, maintenant, retour aux US, et je crois même c'est dans l'Alabama que nous arrive Jacob Lida. Il a déjà enregistré plusieurs albums, et là, c'est celui enregistré sur le label Bob Grady. L'album se nomme My Dreams Just Came True, et la chanson que je vous propose ce soir, Tonight the Bottle Let Me Down.
Each night I leave the barroom when it's over, not feeling any pain at closing time. But tonight your memory found me much too sober. Didn't drink enough to keep you off my mind. Tonight the bottle let me down, and let your memory come around. The one true friend I thought I found. Tonight the bottle let me down. Turn to, and lately I've been turning every day, but the wine don't take effect the way it used to, and I'm hurting in an old familiar way. Tonight the bottle let me down, and let your memory come around. The one true friend I thought I found. Tonight the bottle let me down. Yeah, tonight the bottle let me down.
Jacob Lida qui nous chantait Tonight the Bottle Let Me Down, tiré de son album My Dreams Just Come True. Et on va terminer la série country avec un artiste qui nous a quittés il y a quelques années, c'est Eddie Nock. Il a enregistré en 70 un album qui reprend les chansons de Jimmy Rogers, puisque l'album se nomme Remembering Jimmy Rogers. C'est sorti sur le label Wide World. Et la chanson pour ce soir, c'est Waiting for a Train.
All around the water tank, waiting for a train, 1,000 miles away from home, sleeping in the rain. I walked up to a brakeman to give him a line of talk. He said, if you got money, I'll see that you don't walk. I haven't got a nickel, not a penny can I show. Get off, you railroad bum. He slammed the boxcar door. He put me off in Texas, a state I dearly love. The wide open spaces all around me, the moon and stars up above. Nobody seems to want me or lend me a helping hand. I'm on my way from Frisco, I'm going back to Dixieland. Though my pocketbook is empty and my heart is filled with pain, I'm 1,000 miles away from home, waiting for a train.
Eddie Nock qui nous chantait Waiting for a Train, tiré de l'album Remembering Jimmy Rogers. Je vous avais présenté il y a quelques mois le premier album d'un groupe qui nous vient de Washington, de l'État de Washington, Washington State. C'est Rosin in the Air. Eh bien, voici maintenant le deuxième album qui vient de sortir, qui est tout chaud, qui s'appelle Good Times in the Homeland. Bien sûr, des superbes chansons dessus. Et ce que je vous propose pour aujourd'hui, une composition de Denise Glover, The Homeland. It's for you, Denise.
Kissed my pocket bye, looked my mama in the eye, and I said I will come back to you one day. The sun don't shine as bright as it did in the homeland. The people that I meet don't smile at me. I miss my mama so, she never wanted me to go. But I can't go back to the way it used to be. In this new land I've made myself a family. My son is kind, my daughters are strong. a dreadful fright that I won't get to see my mama no more. The sun don't shine as bright as it did in the homeland. People that I meet don't smile at me. I miss my mama so, she never wanted me to go. But I can't go back to the way it used to be. See the sunshine through young and hopeful eyes. At last my soul can rest, mother tongue in their chests. I've come home, mama, like I said I would. The sole non splende come nella patria. La gente che incontro non mi sorride. Mi manca tanto mia mamma, ma non posso tornare a vita qui era. The sun now shines as bright as it did in the homeland. The people that I meet all smile at me. I miss my mama so, she never wanted me to go. But I can't go back to the way it used to be.
Successivement, il y a eu donc Rosin in the Air, c'est leur deuxième album, Good Times in the Homeland. Ce groupe nous vient de l'État de Washington, et là, ils nous chantaient The Homeland. C'était Denise qui était au chant. Et un instant, le petit instrumental tiré de cet album Patuxent Banjo Project, c'est Fred Jaeger dans Bluegrass Stomp. Fred Jaeger nous vient de la Pennsylvanie. Un artiste qui n'est pas de Brest, mais d'Irlande, il s'appelle Niall Tonnerre. Pas confondre avec Tonnerre de Brest. Eh bien, cet artiste, il a déjà enregistré pas mal d'albums, et là, il a réussi à se faire à enregistrer sur le label américain Pin Castle. L'album qui est sorti donc en 2014 se nomme Onwards and Upwards. Et là, il rend hommage au père du bluegrass, Bill Monroe, dans William Smith Monroe.
That young boy from Kentucky learned tunes from old black men, sang songs with Birch and Charlie, played guitar with Uncle Pen, tore up the Grand Ole Opry, and he shook up Music Row. The cross-eyed boy from Rosine, William Smith Monroe. On their very first audition, before the old Judge Hay, Bill's band showed those Opry folks how they could really play. The stern old judge told Bill if he ever wished to go, he'd have to fire himself from the Grand Ole Opry show. Now I hear his voice a-calling from somewhere in the pines, and that high lonesome tenor sends a shiver down my spine. As I walk the piney woods where peace comes dropping slow, all alone with the ancient tones of William Smith Monroe. For 50 years and more, Bill rode the bluegrass line with Flatt and Scruggs and Baker, Mac Wiseman, Curly Klein. Countless men of music who passed through his hands still carry on the sound of Monroe's Bluegrass Band. Now I hear his voice a-calling from somewhere in the pines, and that high lonesome tenor sends a shiver down my spine. As I walk the piney woods where peace comes dropping slow, all alone with the ancient tones of William Smith Monroe. The creek by the bridge and ramble through the woods up on Jerusalem Ridge. Listen to the birds and the lonesome wind that blows, carrying the ancient tones of William Smith Monroe. Now I hear his voice a-calling from somewhere in the pines, and that high lonesome tenor sends a shiver down my spine. As I walk the piney woods where peace comes dropping slow, all alone with the ancient tones of William Smith Monroe. All alone with the ancient tones of William Smith Monroe.
William Smith Monroe, la chanson de Niall Tonner qui rend hommage au Father of the Bluegrass Music, Bill Monroe, qu'on retrouve sur l'album Onwards and Upwards. Et bien maintenant, justement, on a parlé de Bill Monroe, ce que je vais vous proposer, c'est un document. Ce document date de 92 et quand je l'écoute encore, ça me rappelle quand je le voyais devant moi. Oui, Bill Monroe, il était venu en France, exactement à Dore-l'Église. Et le voici dans un de... Bien sûr, c'est une version live dans son plus grand morceau, Blue Moon of Kentucky. Et oui, je vous l'avais dit, c'est un document, ça date de 92 et Bill Monroe, quand il était passé en France, il avait déjà 81 ans, il nous a quittés en 96. Il nous chantait bien sûr son plus grand titre, Blue Moon of Kentucky. Allez, retour aux US avec un artiste qui nous a quittés aussi il y a quelques années, c'est Jack Cook. Et il a eu le temps d'enregistrer son dernier album sur Pink Castle, qui se nomme Sitting on Top of the World, qui est sorti en 2006. Dessus, il y a Gotta Travel On.
Played around and I played around this whole town along, and I feel like I've got to travel Papa arrives to Johnny, but Johnny can't come home. Johnny can't come home, no, Johnny can't come home. Papa arrives to Johnny, but Johnny old town belongs. Some of love is gone, winter's coming on. I've laid around and I played around this old town belongs. And I feel like I've got to travel on. And I feel like I've got to travel on.
Successivement, il y a eu donc Jack Cook qui nous a quittés en 2009. Mais là, l'album Sitting on Top of the World date de 2006 sur Pink Castle. Il nous chantait Gotta Travel On. Et l'instant, un autre album aussi sorti sur Pink Castle, c'est l'album de Jason Barry qui se nomme The Past is Present. Et le petit instrumental Custom Coach. Allez, quelques petites vieilleries pour se faire plaisir. En 70, Frank Necessary and the Stone Mountain Boys. Ils ont enregistré un album sur le label Cabut qui se nomme No More Tomorrows. Et dessus, ce grand morceau que j'aime beaucoup, Lonesome Feeling.
It's a heavy, heavy load. It's a
Necessary and the Stone Mountain Boys dans Lonesome Feeling, tiré de cet album No More Tomorrows de 70. Alors Frank Necessary a fait aussi des albums en duo avec Al Jones. Autre groupe qui a enregistré plusieurs albums, c'est le Pinnacle Boys. Et en 74, c'est sur Happy Atheram qu'ils enregistrent Take a Look and Listen. Et dessus, aussi une très très belle chanson, Childish Love.
Oh, childish love that I could not hold. I thought your love was a line of gold, but you could write a few short lines and tell your love 10,000 times. You left me in this world alone. Your childish love I could not win. You tore apart our little home. A childish love will always end. Oh, childish love that I could not hold. I thought your love was a line of gold, but you could write a few short lines and tell your love 10,000 times. There's just one thing that I have not told. Your picture frame in a ring of gold. I'll always wear it on my hand, a diamond seal in a golden band. Oh, childish love that I could not hold. I thought your love was a line of gold, but you could write a few short lines and tell your love 10,000 times. Oh, childish love that I could not hold. I thought your love was a line of gold, but you could write a few short lines and tell your love 10,000 times.
The Pinnacle Boys dans l'album Take a Look and Listen de 74, ils nous chantaient Childish Love. Continuons maintenant en Australie. Or, si la country est très importante en Australie, la bluegrass peut-être moins, mais il y a quand même d'excellents groupes. Par exemple, les Davidson Brothers, qui nous viennent de l'État de Victoria. Ils ont déjà plusieurs albums actifs, et celui que je vous propose date déjà de 2007. C'était sorti sur le label Shock. L'album, c'est tout simplement les Davidson Brothers, et dessus, il y a I Miss the Sound of Rain.
To the bone, all I know is working with my hands. I've been holding back the tears. In these last few years, I've lost everything I own but this land. It don't rain here anymore. It won't ever pour. How's a farmer supposed to plow his cane? The ground is hard and dry. I can't sleep at night. I miss the sound of rain. Clear blue blue sky. This farm, it's run me to the ground. Clouds have moved away, things get hotter every day. I won't let this get me down. It don't rain here anymore, it won't ever pour. How's a farmer supposed to plow his cane? The ground is hard and dry, I can't sleep at night. I miss the sound of rain.
Et voilà pour terminer l'émission, les deux derniers morceaux. Donc on a entendu les Davidson Brothers qui nous viennent d'Australie avec I Miss the Sound of Rain tiré de l'album de 2007. Et à l'instant, tiré toujours de ce double album Patuxent Banjo Project, Merle Johnson qui lui nous vient de Virginie avec cette petite instrumentale Follow the Leader. Merci Philippe pour la technique. Je vous dis au revoir. Je vous donne rendez-vous vendredi prochain pour une nouvelle édition de la Country en Côte de Légende sur Radio Émeraude le 95.9 ou sur radio-émeraude.org. Et je vous dis bye bye et surtout à tous ceux qui nous écoutent sur Internet. all the listeners of the world, and special from Washington City. Non, States, pardon. Allez, bye bye, faites de beaux rêves, restez à l'écoute et une bise à l'œil à toutes les filles.